Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Render token. This is supposed to be the next Nvidia, the equivalent of an Nvidia. It looks like they're doing very good up to now, and it could be a crypto coin that could explode. Well, only future will tell us if that is the case. As you can see, it is a young coin, so it's not a super young one. It did pretty well in 2021. You can see that the higher high was up to now $8.82. Currently is at $2.33. So yeah, okay, there is big hope on this coin. Let me do a projection. If this was indeed, I'm going to put it here, honestly, and this was the top, the third wave. We're talking about something that should reach $13.88, or let's say round it up to $14. And for the fifth wave should go around $22. So we're talking about almost 10x, or a little bit over 10x. And that would be the normal, normal expectation, but we all know that a lot of time the third wave it's very exponential. It could go easily higher than that, and if this coin is getting accepted widely and there is adoption, then it can really skyrocket. So let's see how it goes. Maybe we've seen, maybe I'm going to play back this video in 2 years and see how we did well. Actually, it would be fun, honestly. Maybe I'm going to do that. When I think we're going to reach the top, I'm going to play one of these videos for each coin and see if we got it right. Alright, so I believe this was an attempt to do a 1-2, but it kind of failed because it went even lower than or almost at the same point it started, so that failed. I consider this one as a very nice impulsive movement to the upside. As you can see, I did work hard. So this was our first impulsive movement. We did an A, B. Is it overshooting wave B? No, it's just below the level first wave 1. So it's A, B, and C. As you can see, we stopped where we're supposed to do a very nice corrective wave 2. And after that, we started this third wave in yellow. Now this third wave in yellow has 5 wave as well. So I did some micro counting here. So I did the 1 and the 2 here. And I think I put it that I erase it. Let me show you. So I take the impulsive movement of the upside. And now I'm going to take my wave 2 count. As you can see, so this was impulsive movement 1. We did an A, B, C for the wave 2. And as you can see, we stopped bend on at the 0.618 and reacted that level. And then after that, we continue. So I'm going to take out the fib retracement now, so it make a little bit cleaner chart. So if this was the 1 and the 2, I did the extension, as you can see, beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2. Here it's the thing. So you can see that we did reach, I considered this the third wave, and we reached the 1.618, as you can see, bend on. And yeah, so that worked. Also the wave 4. So I took the Fibonacci retracement of this third impulsive movement. And you can see that this is actually, maybe I should change color. So it's, there you go. So this is the wave 4 retracement. So this is the third. So we did the A overshooting wave B and the C to complete the wave 4. and after that we did another impulsive movement to the upside. So you can see that we did reach the 2.618 fib extension, even busted a little bit, and then yeah, so this completed the third wave in yellow. So up to now, honestly, it's working very well. We're doing this third wave in leading diagonal, and now I'm expecting this fourth wave should go within this range, because I took the beginning of the third wave in yellow to what I think this is the end of the third wave in yellow. So we should go around this range here between $2.44 and $1.91. I know it's a big gap, but this is what it is. Now we're not that far from the $1.91, honestly. And yeah, so can we say that this could be already the A, B, C, maybe for the wave A? Would be very nice, honestly. And then yeah, so we could be already done with this correction for the wave 3, for the wave 4, sorry, and we could go a little bit higher for the wave 5. So yeah, we need to be aware of these levels now and see where it's going to stop. And then when we do, then I'm going to check what could be the level, interesting level for these for the fifth wave. Because if I did it here, I think I did it here. 1, 2. So now, just to let you know, we I think we did reach the 1x 1-to-1. So as you can see, here is the 1-to-1 ratio that you know, I take the length of the wave 1 and I add it to the wave 2. We kind of had the 1-to-1 ratio, a little bit more. So when that occurs, the fifth wave usually is going to be a massive. So definitely should be much higher than the length of the third wave. So we should go, yeah, it wouldn't be impossible from this level to get to the $5.50 for the fifth wave. Actually, let me put it. So I'm expecting something explosive. Now maybe this is asking too much, so I'm going to put not that the 2x. So definitely I would say that we should be reaching the $4.40 for the fifth wave. Anyway, this is my crystal ball, checking and comparing and doing extension. That would be a reasonable, for sure, the most conservative would be to just reach the $3.76, and after that for sure we're going to make a big correction, because these 5 way up are going to complete our bigger wave 1, and then we're going to have a ABC correction, a bigger correction, and then yeah, that would be another nice entry point. Now, just for fun, if just for long term, let's say worst case scenario, we just go to the $3.80. I'm going to take the Fibonacci retracement for the wave 2. As you can see, the minimum we should do at least go to the $2. So it would be a little bit cheaper than where we are now. For sure that this price, it can go higher if we reach let's say the 2x level. Then as you can see, where the 0.5, it's even higher than current price. And once again, if we do skyrocket, as I think maybe we're going to do, then you can see that yeah, we're if the price correction really go textbook, then we're going to be about the same price as we are now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I rather, you know, stick with the minimum for the moment. And anyway, this is just a projection of having an idea when the five waves are going to be completed, what could be the range. So we saw that it's going to be between $1, 15 to $2.50. Anyway, so this is just projection. Actually, I'm going to take it out just to have an idea. So I am expecting a little bit lower prices now, and ideally, since we're doing this leading and diagonal, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually go and touch this trend once again. That would be a very nice entry. Well, in theory, yeah, an entry point, I would say. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to put it there. And yeah, more likely if we get near this line, I'm going to start to accumulate because I don't have any for the moment. And now indicators still in decline. MACD first candle that is not red, dark red. If I go on the 4 hours, you can see that we were oversold and now we're exactly at almost at 50, so we can go a little bit higher. Ideally though, I also, you can see the momentum is getting greener and greener and higher into the positive, so that's also good. Now 4 hours. Now let me go on the 1 hour, not 1 day. Okay, so for short-term trend reversal, I would say that we can clearly draw a trend here. And I can also draw another trend maybe like this. Oopsie, come on. All right, so you can see we're doing this downtrend triangle. So yeah, if we're not breaking out from this downtrend, more likely we're going to go and touch these levels. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get some, not crazy, but just tipping in a little bit into this coin. I am going to put an alarm here. Why is that? Is because when we're going to reach this level, more likely we're going to break down. Once again, we can see that here it's a relevant level. Where is it? Is the 1.618 extension. So it did react, as you can see before. So wouldn't be surprised if it does the same. If we break through, then I'm going to get some here. This is the hourly, so I'm going to see. Okay, so there I'm going to start to accumulate a little bit. Okay, so this is pretty much all for render token for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good weekend.